Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick Windows and Office tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix that annoying issue where Word or Excel no longer shows your recently opened files when you right-click the icons pinned to your taskbar. You know that little jump list that normally appears with your recent documents? Yeah, when it suddenly goes blank, it can be really frustrating. So let's go ahead and fix it, step by step, nice and simple. First, let's take a look at the problem. I'm going to right-click the Word icon here on my taskbar, and as you can see, nothing shows up. No recent files, no pinned items, just blank. Let me try Excel as well. I'll right-click and again, nothing. All right, so that confirms the issue. Now let's sort it out. We're going to start from Windows Settings. Go ahead and right-click your Start menu and choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look over to the left and click on Personalization. Take your time, no rush. Now scroll down a little until you see the option labeled Start. Click on that. Inside the Start settings, there's one important toggle we need to turn on. Look for the option that says Show Recently Opened Items in Jump Lists on Start or the taskbar. Make sure that switch is turned on. If it's off, that is exactly why your Word and Excel icons aren't showing your recent documents. So go ahead and turn it on. Now let's test it. Close Word completely, reopen it, and open a couple of documents. Then head back to your taskbar and right-click the Word icon again. If everything was set correctly, you should now see your recently opened files showing up immediately, just like before. Perfect. Do the same for Excel. Let's close Excel completely, reopen it, and open a couple of documents. Then head back to your taskbar and right-click the Excel icon. Let me quickly do it here. A couple of files opened, and now right-clicking again. Now, you may notice something. Only one recently opened document keeps showing. If that's the case, or if yours still isn't working, don't worry. We'll check one more setting inside Microsoft Word itself. Open Microsoft Word, go to the File tab, and select Options. When the Options window opens, click on Advanced. Scroll down slowly until you reach the Display section. Right here, make sure the option that says Show this number of recent documents is not set to 0. Increase it to a number you prefer, maybe 10, 15, or 20. Also, confirm that Quickly Access this number of recent documents is enabled. This is what allows Word to show them in the jump list on the taskbar. Once that's done, click OK. Open a few documents again, and try right-clicking the taskbar icon one more time. You should now see your recent files appear instantly. And that's it. Your jump lists are fixed and working smoothly again. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If this video helped you solve the issue, go ahead and like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, Microsoft Office tips, and productivity tricks. See you in the next one.